I'm Steve Barry. I've got Sterling Smith here. I've got Chef Dom. Real big fans of Green Mountain Grill. And
Tell us today what you're going to cook for us.
So today we're going to do a dish that is going to be featured on our brunch menu. We're going to do a smoked pork chilaquiles. All right, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to start off by rubbing the pork shoulder in our Loot and Booty Everything rub. Cover it all sides, make sure even coating. I like to let mine sit with the rub on it at least 2 hours before I get it on the smoker, and then have the smoker preset to 250 degrees and then get it on there. Depending on the size of the butt, it takes anywhere from 8 to 10 hours. What I'm looking for is an internal temperature of about 200 degrees or until the probe slides in just like butter. I love the consistency of the Green Mountain Grill. The new design is much more sturdy. I love that we're able to see the level of the pellets and look inside the smoke chamber. So once we've let the pork butt rest, we pull it, cool it completely, and then we ladle in our house-made chili sauce, a little bit of our pulled pork, get that heated through. Then we add our freshly fried tortilla chips and make sure everything's coated. Meanwhile, while those are warming through, we're gonna fry off a couple of eggs on the side. So for the build, we get a warm plate and we just layer the chip pork sauce mixture onto the plate, trying to get a little height on it. Then we hit it with a little bit of our fresh Mexican crema, sprinkled with a little cotija cheese. Then we'll lay 2 easy over eggs right on top. Top it with a little shredded cabbage, some shredded radishes, a little chopped cilantro, and then hit it with some fresh squeezed lime juice.
Thank you for coming by today, sharing this recipe with us. You know the GMG does it every time.
man, that's so good. Stop by and see him at Hush.
Tell your friends.